everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this effect in Adobe Photoshop. Start off with your type tool and write your text. I'll make my text white, double click on it, the layer style window will pop up, and we're going to add some effects. Firstly, a stroke. You can decide the stroke width and if you want it positioned outside, inside, or the center, and the color you want it to be. I'll then add a drop shadow and I'll make sure the spread is set to 100, and you can decide the distance from the text and the size. I'll go with maybe 15 actually for the size and adjust the distance. Pretty happy with how it's looking. We're going to add a bevel and emboss effect. I usually go with an inner bevel technique to smooth or chisel soft, and then play around with the depth, size, and the soften. I usually leave these as they are, maybe leave it at around 50% for both. Press OK. We're then going to click on our background, unlock it, and then above our background, just click here and then select gradient. We'll go with a simple gradient linear fill. Press OK. Select all your layers, right click, convert to smart object, and finally we're going to go to filter, pixelate, color halftone. We want all our channel values to be the same because we don't want any color in this halftone, and we want relatively small circles. This is what the number is. The bigger the number, the bigger the halftone circles are going to be. Press OK, and there you have it. The cool thing about this is that this entire thing is fully editable. All you have to do is double click on your smart object, and you can change your type and write whatever you want in there. You can change the gradient if you want, maybe do a radial gradient and then something like this, and then we're going to center our text. Save this, so Command S, go back to your original file, and it'll have updated everything. And that's literally it. It's that easy. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to comment down below if you have any tutorial requests or suggestions, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.